welcome to the blog. And in this blog I'm going to show you how the college room looks like, the first year hostel of a Gautam Buddha University. I'm going to tell you all the details. Okay, so this is the room. For the boys we get one room, okay, and for the girls for the first year it must be on sharing. Okay, so this is the room. What we get in the room is the chair, okay, the chair, the table, okay, and this so you can put your books on it, and one almirah, okay, and this is the hanging part of the door, okay, so you can hang your clothes. And yeah, this is the bed you're going to get, okay, this is the bed you're going to get. Then this balcony, okay, so you can have a great view from the balcony itself. Okay, so in every room there's one balcony attached to the room. Okay, so this is what you get in the first year hostel. Okay, and the hostel name is MMJ hostel. Let you show about my stuffs. So this is where I put all my recent clothes. Okay, right now it's winter, so I have some winter collection also here also. These are my shoes, my outdoor slippers, my shoes, okay, another shoes. These are all the boxes, empty boxes, primarily the empty boxes. And this is the almirah, okay, this is the almirah when you can put all your clothes, okay. And this is the chair you're going to get from the university. This is the bed you're going to get from the university. You have to bring your own mattress and pillows, okay. Then this table is quite really great, I must say. It has 3 apartments, and this is my table. It is quite been messy because we have our exams and it's winter, so it's been messy. And few days ago we have our practicals, so these are the some question paper from the practicals. This one is from the IT and applications. Later it's going to convert into the bioinformatics. So you can see the questions are like explain the following terms, okay. So you have to give the full form as well as you have to explain it. For example, NCBI, National Center for Biotechnology Information, PMC, PubMed Central, NLM, National Library of Medicine, NIH, National Institute of Health, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So you have to give the full form as well as you have to explain it, that what is NCBI. It's a world largest biomedical database. And then we have animal and plant physio lab questions. So these are the questions. The questions are actually, it was a lab, but the question itself has a more weightage than the theoretical practical part. So it's been quite ironic, okay. So section A, 4 question, 15 into 60 marks, so in which you have to perform. For example, the question number 3, determine the differential blood leukocyte counts using Leishman stains of freshly prepared blood smear. So you have to demonstrate this, okay. You have to demonstrate the Leishman stain, okay. You have to make the preparation, blood smear preparation is one of the most delicate part of this experiment. And then for the plant, you have performed the sectioning of the given plant sample and prepare a stain temporary mount to observe its internal structure. Write the detailed procedure and observation of the experiments. And for lab 20 marks, and viva also 20 marks, okay. So this is Lampy, says Lampy, doggy, army doggy, Bruno doggy. And it's morning now, okay. So I'm having some reads, okay. And also this is my channel, you can go to and subscribe it and also listen to the music. You have a face that makes me. And this is the documents for the scholarship, UP scholarship. So if you belong from the UP state, so you're going to get a scholarship, but for that you have to submit a lot of documents. And there are always some problems with the management team. So you also have to rectify your problems. And this is the psychological profiling. So in this study I do psychological profiling of the personalities and the peoples around me, and these are the commercial profile of the peoples around the globe. And these are some books I used to read sometimes, not always. And this is the painting. It is a very realistic painting drawn by one of my friends from Manipur in Ambunushi. And these are some basics you can have: the perfume, the sanitizer, the cologne, hairspray, moisturizer, sunscreen, a keratin powder, I don't know, air drops. Sorry. Then you have you know cough syrups and sanitizer, sunscreen, fevicol. This is panda and all. So these are some books, not much, but Homo Deus by Yuval Noah Harari, the Almanac of Neville Ravikant by obviously the Neville Ravikant itself, Larry Sandhya, the dragon with the dragon tattoo. Don't believe everything you think. Okay, then we have 20 rules of for life by Dr. Jordan B. Peterson, Canadian psychologist. And this one is also what we say autobiography, and that is the Vedic mathematics. Okay, so still we have some wires. So in the hostel you also going to get this LAN. Okay, so you have to bring your own LAN cables so you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but it's so difficult to connect with it. Okay, then I have some additional stuff here. Okay, so a detergent, so you have to bring at your own. These are the essentials which you have to bring: your toothbrush, one for the shoes, one for the clothes, then conditioner of the cloth, then we have sour gel, then we have another sour gel, we have detergent gel, shampoo, and a lot of things. Okay, and this is the light you're going to get, this is the fan you're going to get, this is also a table light, but